Hi guys, my name is Vito and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a nice vegan oven baked dish. This is a yummy 3-layer dish made of a juicy soy and mince veg base, followed by a cheesy layer and mashed potato, and finished off with a crunchy breadcrumb crust. Now I'm gonna show you how to make vegan mince, and for the mash, go ahead and check out my vegan mashed potato video or find it in the description below. Without further ado, let's start. The vegetables you will need is 1 zucchini, half an eggplant, a leek, 2 carrots and a sweet pepper. Also you will need some vegan butter and cheese. From your spices you will need brown sugar, mixed herbs, some pepper, salt and chili flakes and some breadcrumbs. And finally you will need 50 grams of red lentils, 50 grams of soy mince and 1 cup of passata. After you wash your lentils, fill the pot with cold water, add some salt and cook for 15 minutes. Now go ahead and cut your vegetables into small cubes. Once your veg is nicely cut, go ahead and drain, then rinse your cooked lentils. Now you can start preparing your tomato sauce by adding your brown sugar, salt, pepper and chili flakes and mixed herbs to your sauce, and add an optional 2 tablespoons of olive oil for extra flavor. Preheat your pan, add some cooking oil and start frying your vegetables. While your veg is frying, quickly wash your soy mince. Now go ahead and cut your leek into thin slices and then try to separate it into rings so it's easier to wash. Now you can get back to your vegetables and add the tomato sauce into the pan, then add an extra cup of water. Stir it all together and let it cook for 5 minutes. Then go ahead and add your red lentils and your soy mince. Mix it until everything is nicely incorporated. Once your mince is cooked, add your leek. But if you still prefer a thicker sauce, add some milk chia seeds to it. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees on the fan option. You can now start making your layers in a baking tray by putting mince on the bottom, followed by a layer of cheese and mashed potato on top. In this case, I use my yesterday's mash leftover, which is a good option for preventing food waste. Finish this off with butter and sprinkle your breadcrumbs on the very top. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you'll enjoy this meal once you make it for yourself. Go ahead and like, leave a comment and subscribe to follow me for more. Thank you again and see you soon. Cheers.